What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the DirectX error code 0X887A0005. So let's get right into this. If you're getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is open up whatever game this is happening on and right click in, basically under Steam in library, right click into it, go to properties in here, click into the installed files section and do verify integrity of game files. Just doing this should fix the issue for you. But if it doesn't, we're basically going to move on to the next step, which is you want to click into browse, and then you want to basically copy the path of like whatever game, again, that it's causing you the issues. Then you want to go to your search bar and type in graphics settings. In here, you want to press browse and paste the path for, again, whatever game was causing you the concern, and press add. Like whatever exe file is there, press add for that. Over there, then you're going to see, like, for example, all of these different game files. You want to choose whatever specific one. Let's just say Call of Duty, for example. Press options and change it to high performance. A lot of times, these types of issues kind of go away once you do this. So basically, do the verify integrity of game files. If not, if that doesn't fix it, basically move it over here, kind of change the components over here and put it here, and then you should be good to go. The final thing you can do is back inside Steam, which is under the general section. You can just change the launch option to say either DX11, -DX11, or -D3D11 and see if this fixes it for you as well. So yeah, that's basically it. Or D12 as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. If you're on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm out. Peace.